For this next tutorial, we're going to create the socket for the attachment for the weapon. So you're going to want to go to left hand, right click, create add socket. We're going to name this bow socket. And then we're going to right click on this, add preview asset. And we're going to find our bow that we imported, the skeletal mesh of it, not the actor class. And you're going to want to rotate this and orientate it, well, in such a fashion that it's actually going to be used. So if it's a sword, you know, you got to make it how it's going to be a sword. And since it's a bow, and it's a left hand animation, we're using the left hand instead of the right hand. On the right here, you can scale it. To forewarn you with caution, when you scale in this, it actually is going to change the scaling in the game if the actor class is different. And I actually do this here, and this I'm going to show you how to fix it too. Alright, so when you're doing this, you really want to make it crisp. You want to get in there nice zoomed in and scale the weapon so it looks very appealing. Alright, that looks good just about there. Oh, see, you got to zoom in. Alright,